Hey everybody, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming back at you with another episode of Instant Noodle. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got one that came from Exotic Nudes. Go over to exoticnudes.com. Use the coupon code the Ramen Raider. You get yourself a snazzy discount. This is Nissin Raoh, King of Ramen. Miso flavor, not umami miso. Some people think that umami miso and miso are different. I really don't think so. Same image, same package, except for the word umami is deprecated. So we're gonna go with, I'm gonna say it's the same freaking thing, but people have ideas about things, and psychology and food, oh boy. But this one drops into the boiling water for 4 minutes, and so there we go. Once it's done, you swizzle that on in your nizzle, and then you make it all sturdy, and you're good to go. Yeah, so I'm letting it do what it do over there. I'm gonna turn it down slight amount. So yeah, you got 4 minutes to hang out, so what do you want to do? I know. Let's take a big old dump together. Look, dump dinners. This has got that Kathy Mitchell lady. Oh, look at me. Ooh. That's a wig, by the way. Anyways, yeah, it's like, I found out there was these people that do these overdubs of like infomercials and all sorts of shit, and they're called Djibouti dubs, and they're freaking funny. And they did one about a book that she did called Ramen Joy, and it's just like horrible recipes for ramen, like making tacos with ramen. Not like basically doing everything to make a taco and then adding ramen to it. It's like, that's not necessary. They were making s'mores with ramen, basically replacing the graham cracker with ramen that's uncooked. Like, I saw a guy cook it up and he's all, where is it? Look, it's got useful recipes to get you ready to make dump dinners. Look. For those who don't know, here's how to cook rice. I'm guessing on the package of rice, it's gonna tell you how. Here's how to prepare ground beef. Whew, you got problems if you don't know how to shizzle up some ground beef pasta. Perfectly cooked, no spatter bacon, veggies, beans. But there's one, yeah. Doesn't that sound appetizing? Trash can stock. Basically, you prep a bunch of veggies, and all the stuff you were gonna throw in the trash, you boil it and you make soup stock with like vegetable broth with it. That's fine and all, but calling it trash can stock, it doesn't sound all that appealing. But it goes on and on and on about how all these are like really healthy dinners you can make for your family, like beefy tater tot bake. Meatloaf casserole, holiday casserole. What we got here? Cream of chicken, water, green beans, chicken or turkey, stuffing mix, and Parmesan cheese. That sounds, hot chicken salad, cheesy chicken and noodles, spicy black bean soup, easy pumpkin soup. But the whole idea is you just basically take a bunch of ingredients. Hey! They'll be going back to school tomorrow. I hope. They really want to go back to school. Then you're gonna have to share over there, Toots. He's got my toy, Papa. It's been a battle. A real battle. Alexa, tune to PBS. Sometimes they get angry when it ends up being what was on just now. Leave It to Beaver. He generally likes Leave It to Beaver. She's just like, Papa, can't we watch something else? Come on now. Alright, noodles are done. Now let's add in the goo. Because you can't have ramen without, I guess you can spell ramen without goo. And for my buddy, our affiliate from UK, it's Miso. But for our buddy Jamie, we're not including corn. Just because, well, A, I don't have any, and B, there's something about corn that sets that guy off, and you don't want to get on his bad side. He'll fight you. He'll stab you with a stick. A sharp stick, I might add. So don't anger that guy. He seems to be very misunderstood in the group, but I've known him for a long time. Talk to him about every day. He's the JB, so you gotta recognize. Anyways, what up to old Jamie? Noodle. My son has been referring to me as Noodle lately, because that's my name now. Okay. Our broth. I'm getting a hint of black pepper in that, and I like it. It's not bad. It's definitely miso, almost like a curry miso too. That's a worthy one. If you're in the U.S. and you want to get some nice premiumish miso, this is a good route. I'll say that with my face. But you're gonna have to bring your own grooviness. What do you mean, Ramen Raider? I mean, you're gonna have to watch my easy chashu recipe and make your own chashu like that. Bow! And you're gonna have to, you're gonna have to be lucky like me, unless you're able to do it. I'm no good at it, but my wife can make wonderful eggs. Wow, this batch came out really good. See that? Eggy wig. This is my last one, and I decided I'd use it for this one today. So there you go, Nissin. Nice. Oh, yeah. Hopefully this Naruto doesn't curl up like the others did. I think it's gonna... I made it too thin. That's way too thin. We'll see what happens. I got more of this stuff. Look at this. Bam! Ooh, doggies. Just taking a little dope on top of that sucker. Yeah, I went out and I got mung bean sprouts yesterday at the store, and the expiration date's not too bad on them. I'm very proud of my local Safeway produce place. Actually, I'm proud of the place that brings them their produce for actually giving a crap. So, I mean, they did have ones that would have been expired, but I know I'm not the only one that likes good mung bean sprouts and doesn't want stale, old, yucky ones. But the problem is they keep getting the organic ones. The organic ones just don't stay good as long. Organic, schmorganic, I say. Actually, I've been quoted in video, print, in print and video, saying organic, schmorganic. Yeah, so there's our bowl of miso, and honestly, this thing's already curling up. Ah. I'm a little jumpy. What's up with that? Why so jumpy, Ramen Raider? Oh. Ah. There you go. Enjoy that for a moment, peoples. Alright, well that's it for that one. The next one we're gonna have is another one from it. Are you kidding?
Yes.
Wow. So for the 4th time in 1 week, an alarm is going off. I don't know if their alarm system is out of batteries or whatnot, or if some little jerk is like pulling the alarm. But here comes the fire truck again. At least it's not in our building, that's all I can say. Because when that thing goes off, oh, it's loud. It's just like this ear-piercing, shrill sound. No, it's not hurting your ears right now. Trust me, if somebody pulled the thing down here, oh, it's bad. There's a bell, and then there's just like, there's a smoke detector out here and one in the bedroom, and every single one in the building goes off, and it's just shrill. The tones are just slightly off, so I was like, it's just like ear piercing. Anyways, Monraku, Japanese ramen, spicy sesame from Exotic Nudes. Go to exoticnudes.com, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. I'm gonna go take a picture of this, boil some water, make this stuff, and I'll see you in a minute. Bye. Or I mean tomorrow.